DMGM. Today I'll be talking about how to use these bots, the protocol bots, the proto KOL. So KOL for short means key opinion leader. Who is a key opinion leader? A key opinion leader is a person who holds opinion over a large group of people. Is someone who is often respected in a particular field because this person is an expert. The person can be a creator or an influencer. They just have it that way. So these analytics for CZ Binance here. So with this you can see his total followers 9 million. Yeah, and we have 2,396 smart followers. That means people who are also like him, who are key opinion leaders like him, that are following him. So you can see he has a very large voice in his space, in the crypto space. Yeah, so when he talks, everyone listens. Look at his engagement rate, 1.6%. Social activity is very low, so it shows his TI is quite high. Right, he has a very high ranking, so he's well respected. So we can trust any information coming from CZ. That's what this score means. Yeah, so the token he called was BN. So that means the token he mentioned in his tweets or his posts in the last 30 days. So this is the token. So remember, Binance just launched their own restaking token, which is BN. So if you're familiar with this, you would know what I'm talking about. So, and this is the price of this is just a representative of Solana. So but owned by the Binance validator. Yeah, so this is the price of so, like we know, 169. So this is the percentage. So it shows that this token he mentioned, unique mention one, and it has gained over 77% in the last 30 days. So, and it's a successful call. So we'll be looking at other examples too. So top performing coins with just one token. So this is just for Binance CZ. This is also CZ Binance. Let's look for someone else who is also who also has a large voice. Trying to look for someone who can use. Yeah. So we have Murad. Yeah. So this is Murad. Now you can see his own stats is different from CZ Binance, right? So he has 11 token. Yeah, so let's see. The token he called that performed well, which is APU, gives about 300% in the last 30 days. So this is just used to do analytics for your key opinion leaders to know how they are doing, their previous performance, to trust their present judgment. Yeah, so it's more like a research analytic too. So successful call, 10 out of 11. Yeah, so we have others like that. We have Crypto Cardinal, and yeah, you can also use to check projects as well. So not just key opinion leader, you can also check for that player. So first thing first, we go to the bots. Yeah, so currently there is a 10k promotion that is ongoing. All you just need to do is perform simple tasks and you'll be able to earn the 10k. Yeah, so let me check for the, sorry, I'm trying to scroll up to get where this promotion is. So for those using this bot already, you already have gotten it, but those that are just joining, I'm trying to get the information for you. So this project is currently on the farm, just have about 10,952 users, so it's still quite low. So you want to opt in and be a part of people that will be enjoying this project, that's the early adopters. Yeah, so yeah, so this is it. Yeah, social quest, 10k USD price up for grabs. So you join the KOL gets closed beta. So if you are in the top 400 on the leaderboard, you'll be part of this cash grab, and also you'll be joining a private Telegram group. So all you just need to do is to complete the quest, you earn points, and you climb the ladder, be among the top 4 on leaderboard. So this post was done yesterday. So you have snapshots will be taken in 3 days time. So you just follow the tweets and do all that thing. So let's do the first thing first. So you are starting a fresh start menu. Yeah. So you check your key opinion leader. So let's check for CZ Binance. Yeah, so don't mind my background music. Yeah, just wanted to vibe while we continue. So this is how you check it. So just type the user name, the Twitter handle of the person you are checking for, so you get the analytics. Let's check for someone. So let's check for someone else. So click on search for more. So let's check for Elon Musk here. So it's Elon Musk, yeah. So as you can see, Elon Musk has not mentioned any crypto in the last 30 days. So you can see no calls, no tokens, and his sociality is very low. It's very respected, as we know, his followers analytics. So that's how you do. You keep searching for your favorite KOL, yeah, without them knowing, because you want to trust their opinion. That's why you're doing your research. So this is more like a research tool, research analytics tool. So after that, you come to, let's return to the menu. So you can also check for projects too. So you can check, let's check for Cartesian AI. Cartesian AI. So you can see the total followers. You can see that this project has a token. Now if the project does not have a token, it will also specify here. So you can see the top contributors. You can also see their you can also see the volume, the market cap. So it gives you basic analytics you need. Yeah, so you can also check for projects too, or exchanges. Let's search for Binance. Let's search for Binance. Yeah. So let's search for Binance. Yeah. So it's processing. Yeah. So this so that's it. Yeah, so what to do in this app? So this is how you search for projects. So you come to return, so you search for check KOL, key opinion leader, check for projects. Now the points, let's come to the point system. So how does this points work? So one KOL search gives you 10 points, so maximum of 10 points each day. So every 24 hours you search for 10 KOL and you earn 100 points. So you search for 10 projects as well, you earn 100 points. Now when you share your Telegram, you earn points, so you can only share 3 times a day. When you refer your friends, 75 points. Social quest completed, 50 points. Providing valuable feedback, 100 points. If they select your opinion, you rewarded. Yeah, so you turn on notification never to miss any updates here. So leaderboard, this checks your ranking. So currently this is my ranking. I've gotten 6,600 points. I've referred 80 friends, and I'm on the 8th position on the leaderboard. So from this 10,952 user, I'm on the 8th position. Yeah, so quest shows you tags, Twitter tags, social media tags basically. So all you just need to do is like, retweet, and comment, and you'd so because Twitter is obviously be obviously linked, so you just do the needful, you retweet, and get the necessary things done. Then you check, you refresh this page. There's a button for you to refresh to check your activity. You could have done mine, so you can't see that. So let's return to the menu. So we have feedback. This is where you give feedback. Click on this, you input your feedback, and you submit it. You can invite friends, you get your referral code and links. Yeah, so links to their social media page. And finally, the KOL. Now they've launched their token on Uniswap, so you can click here to check. So it's just listed on CoinGecko. So you can also check about these projects here. So check KOL information. So check here. No, let's check projects. Protocol /io. So this about the project. Yeah, so you can see the analytics too. Alright, so don't forget to share this video to your friends, to also share to other crypto folks, so you can benefit from this early alpha. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification to get exciting and early alphas like this. Thank you.